Hey everyone, this is Jalen with Growth Inspire. I am back with another video, but today we're going to talk about charge-offs, what they are, and what you can possibly do to get them removed from your credit report before 7 years. Most people know that charge-offs can do a lot of damage to a consumer credit report, and there is a few things that you can possibly try to get it off your credit report without having to wait the 7 years worth you naturally fall off. If you're dealing with a charge off, peep into this video and check this video out, as I may be able to offer some kind of advice that can help you get this off your credit report sooner. Check this out. Before we go deeper into this video, I'm going to discuss what is a charge-off. Typically, a charge-off is referred when a credit card goes delinquent past 90 days. The creditor practically gives up efforts in attempting to collect the balance, and they write it off as a loss for tax purposes, and then they sell off the balance into a debt collector agency. So here are a few things you can try to have it taken off your consumer credit report before 7 years. One of the most popular things you can try first is disputing the account online. A lot of people attempt to dispute accounts online because it's more convenient for them, and then you can pick like a dispute reason why you want to dispute the account online. You can dispute directly to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and for any other kind of documentation that you want them to review that you believe could be the grounds for a deletion of the account. Another thing you can try is sending a dispute to the creditor themselves and request them to verify the information of the account. Writing directly to the credit bureau, having them review the account and dispute it. If they cannot verify the account and verify the information on the account within 30 days, by law, they will have to remove the account from the credit report. I have done this a few times and gotten a few accounts removed from my personal consumer credit report, and then some from my clients as well. So this has been proven to work before in the past, but it's not like a 100% of a guarantee that it would work for you, but it is still something that you can try and consider. Another thing you can try is disputing directly to the credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Disputing directly with them, you can find like any kind of errors on your consumer credit report that they're reporting, and you can ask them to verify any kind of information. And then the same thing by law, if they cannot verify this information, they would have to either update the account or remove the account from the consumer credit report. But if you're interested in trying to attempt to have a charge-off removed on your own, I have another video that I posted, a do-it-yourself credit repair tutorial that walks over the general basics that you can use to dispute an account and everything that you need. I will drop a link below for you to watch it, and then I would definitely recommend checking out that video. The last thing you can try if you try all the previous attempts is hiring a credit repair specialist or a credit repair company to look at your credit report and see if they can get off the derogatory account. A lot of times, charge-off accounts can be pretty stubborn, and then they can take a lot of time to get removed. Also, the process can be very overwhelming, and then it can be much of a headache as well for some people. And it could be quicker and sometimes more practical of hiring a credit repair professional to look at your credit report and see if they can assist you with your charge-offs accounts, collections, bankruptcies, public records, or anything else. I know me personally, I am always accepting clients and helping them with their credit report. If you like this video and you find this video very beneficial, please like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about it. If you have any questions or anything, you can reach me at my email at support@growthinspire.info. I will leave a link for you guys to check it out and ask me any kind of questions you may have. For more information about credit repair or credit in general, you can go to my website, growthinspire.net. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Reach me at my email. Let me know. Just get in touch with me. I'll be able to help you as soon as possible. See ya.